Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. Consider smashing the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Throwback Thursday is today, and so I have one of my classics out. This is the MJX X800, and so this one is a little smaller, well, a lot smaller than the one that I flew before. But this one is a micro, it's a hex, and this thing is awesome. Same protocol, MJX protocol, and I actually changed the connector on it to a pH 2.0, and that's because I preferred to fly it with these. And so these are the high voltage packs, and this is a little larger than, I think, the battery that is usually contained in this guy is a 500 milliamp hour. I could be wrong though, it could be a 600 milliamp hour, but this is a 660, and these high voltage packs are actually lighter and they pack a little more wallop. And so check it out, it's 90C with a 180C burst, and you can charge these high voltage packs up past the normal charge, but I actually charge this one up to normal charge. But let's get this guy out here and fly a little bit of line of sight with it. I actually have two of these. I have a black one too. I like the white one a little more because of the property of the body. It actually allows you to see the lights in the dark. I like to do a lot of night flying as well. But let's get this guy up in the air. Okay, so I had to get over here to a flat surface. See if we can get it down. MJX protocol. Oh, I forgot to mention that I have these 65mm props on it. Guy flies awesome with this combination here. It's a little fast too. Gotta be mindful of the trees. Last time I think I smacked into a tree. Most people like to fly in the open space with these things. I actually prefer flying with obstacles. I think it's more fun. Going line of sight proximity. Look, I got a bird chasing me. No fun if you don't have obstacles to fly around and avoid. Ooh, just nicked that little leaf there on that branch. Coming in hot, y'all. So deviation did make the pitch crazy on it. This thing can almost get vertical. Check it out. For a funnel. That's full pitch. And being that it has this type of battery pack in here, it can actually take it. You can do those hard funnels, deep funnels, and stay in the air. You do have to raise the throttle all the way though. Range is awesome because of deviation. One of my favorite micros to fly. Hexes do have more power. They do fly with more authority than quadcopters do. I think quads might be a little more nimble, but being that this thing has deviation and the pitch is so crazy, this thing is really agile as well. I don't think I have any quads with a crazy pitch like this that isn't MJX. I think I do have an MJX quad. The MJX, I can't remember what number that model is. I think it's the MJX X800 or something. I can't remember. But it does have crazy pitch like that, and it's a quad, but it doesn't fly with authority like this. Try to come in close with a funnel. Oh, the one thing that deviation did though, it made the yaw extremely slow. So it has an extremely slow yaw, but the pitch is crazy. I think I prefer the pitch to be as deep as it is, as opposed to it just having a fast yaw. And it was flashing, so I brought it down. Check it out. The MJX X800. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.